light without a shadow. We know what's close, what's far, what's edgy, what's soft. We understand our world thanks to the shadows. My name is Cesar Montero. I'm the head of light design on wheel design at Audi. The light tunnel has become almost like the second office. We design something that is on paper very nice, but it needs a physical confirmation.
All of us have family, we want to see our family, so we are really happy that we can do nearly all of the work during daytime. And then afterwards, when we go out for a night drive, it doesn't take that much time as before. My name is Stefan Berlitz. I'm head of development lighting. We develop all the lights around the car together with styling.
I think that it's very important to be together developing with the engineers. Without technology, it would be very difficult to do light design. We used to design lights with just a light bulb. It was pretty simple. In the moment when the LED came, we saw the potential of actually creating everything with light.
We really have a highlight in our car. The first time we have the possibility to individualize our lighting signature.
It's based on digital possibilities that our new technology offers. You can see a signature that is very focused or a bigger opening eye with a bigger pupil. When you look in both sides, it gives a completely different look to the car. You can choose by selecting in your MMI your individual signature. And in this moment, I think it's when the people see not only the Audi, they will say, I saw you coming with the Audi. With this light, we started something completely new.
In the future, we will have even more possibilities for individualization, for addressable lights. This car is the first one that opens the door for this new technology, for the new future of lighting.
The really new thing that is going to come is the light communication. Light is going to start to talk. We can maybe make a better world because it means that from more far away, we can convey a message. And not only for the car drivers, but for the bicycle drivers, motorcycle drivers, pedestrians. This is a complex world. We need to understand each other, we need to talk to each other. And I think light is our future language. Light for me is everything. Light inspires me constantly. I like to get out late, very late, when there's very, very little or no traffic at all, and take pictures of our cars, not only of the lights, but also the reflections that produce our lights into the other objects, and these reflections come back to our cars. So night is my special playground. We are designers not only of an object, we are actually designing the moment where you see the light. You're not looking at the car, you're looking at what's happening outside the car. We're designing that moment. My name is Cesar Montero. Working with light is my dream come true.